Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss another one of my videos. Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to get free Robux. That's right, free Robux. These are all perfectly legitimate ways, so there are no scam sites like Robux generators, and you will not get banned or hacked by doing these. Let's get straight into it. Method 1. So the first method of getting free Robux is to sell access to your game. The amount of money that you can sell access to your game is from 25 Robux all the way to 1,000 Robux. As you can see, this is my game here, Cychrome's Towers of Meanness. It doesn't have a Robux symbol or number here, so it's free to play, but if we go to the next game, whatever this game is, it has a Robux sign here, so you have to pay that amount to play the game. You get 70% of the profit that the game access makes. So, if you sell the access to the game for 100 Robux, you'll get 70% of that, which is 70 Robux. That is method 1. Method 2. So, the second method of getting free Robux is to make game passes. You can put these game passes onto any game. As you can see, Cychrome's Towers of Meanness, I have put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 game passes here, so people can buy each of these game passes, and I would get 70%. So I'd get 70 from this one, 35 from that one, 700 from that, etc, etc. And all Robux that you earn from game passes or game access, you get in 3 business days. But that is method 2. Method 3. So the final way of getting free Robux, that I have found anyway, is to find groups with the creator's name, which is my name right there. If that says no one, like literally NO space ONE exclamation mark, and it's a public group, then you can join that group, click up here and claim ownership of the group, and then whatever they had is now yours. So that is the final way to get free Robux. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified when I make a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you all next time.